rather nice.
Can we carry on?
This house looks nice.
Wow.
Isn't it?
Oh, it does.
Oh my goodness, these are nice.
Yes.
Bones.
Okay, and it's Boxing Day. Wow. It looks amazing. Okay, shall we carry on?
Have you taken a photo of her?
Wow, I love it. Wow, I love it.
Yeah.
Let's carry on. And Joe's gonna come tonight for dinner. We're home. It's a great. And today we're going to be. Joe's gonna arrive in a minute.
She barked at 3 dogs, was it, Zanny?
She did.
She barked at 3 dogs and then made friends.
I made friends with one
You
dog.
made friends with 1 dog, that's right, Zanny.
Great
She did.
percentage.
Yeah. But she only barked at the other ones because they were on the other side of the road. You know.
Oh,
Actually quite pleasant out.
oh, I'm
You know, get some fresh air, wasn't it, Zanny?
It was.
It was pleasant, wasn't it?
Yes.
Is it black now?
It's no, not quite.
Oh, okay.
Not quite.
It seems dark when you're inside.
Yes.
Oh, it seems a bit dark.
Inside looking out. The thing's on.
Well, I don't like it.
I'm right here. Let me show you what this does. That's my grandma's bedroom. She's gonna go back to Leeds to her house tomorrow. Let me show you what this does. I had these for a long time when I was small. It can sing jingle bells. Trying to find a way to turn it on here. Or sort of pinches. There's a way to turn it on. It will be loud. That sings jingle bells and his ears spin. Sort of pinches ears. Oh, here it is. It's gonna play a tune, Jingle Bells. Maybe there's only a way on. Oh, I had to try and find a way on. I had these for a long time until I was small, like 4 or 6. Trying to turn it on somehow. Joe's gonna come again like he did yesterday. Find a way. You guys know I have a sister called Catrice, not common. Katrice. Mummy's called Jasmine. My daddy's called David. Grandma's called Pam and granddad's called Norman. Oh, trying to find a way to switch this on. We have 2 of these, but they do the same tune. Oh, here it is. It's gonna be loud. Is that the one? Probably inside here somewhere. Sort of pinch his ears. His ears spin when he sings. His ears does this when he sings. Both of them. trying to turn it on. Good. Here it goes. There it goes. Just put it all the way up. It is dingy. It makes a noise. That makes a noise. I forgot how to turn this on. I'll probably show you how to on the next video on Boxing Day. Merry Christmas. It's Boxing Day. I'll make another video today. You can just go on my next video. Bye. And Merry Christmas.